do is just hang loose. Woo! Hang loose now. Hang loose, Bruce. If you don't hang loose, I'm gonna cook your goose. Hang loose. Hang loose. Well, we're throwing the snake dance, a bebop and hop. Rock and roll and a 12-man flop. And hang in there like a squaw's papoose. Well, that's a technique and how to hang loose. Hang loose now. Hey, hey, hang loose. Well, lean way back and give a tone like a moose. About to get the hang of how to hang loose. You're getting educated in the finest degree. Now don't give up the ship and just follow me. And don't ever say, what's the use? Well, you know you can't bob till you learn to hang loose. Hang loose now. Wee-hee-hee, hang loose. Yeah, hang real loose like a Mandela do. And now you got it, cat, and you've learned to hang loose.